Hi there, welcome once again to Hallowed Moments, powered by Hallowed Homes. Yes, with me, Bennett Kenyansa. Today, we want to look at things that will promote unity between the landlords and the tenants. We are interested in promoting peace and unity. Tip number 1, love. Let there be love between tenants and landlord. Love requires gentleness, peace, calm, and understanding between a tenant and a landlord. Please, appreciate each other. Love your tenants. Tenants love your landlord. This promotes peace and unity, and it brings proper bonding in a facility. Tip number 2, avoid jealousy and boastfulness. As a tenant, as a landlord, don't be jealous. Don't be jealous of your tenant. Tenant, don't be jealous of your landlord. Avoid jealousy and avoid boastfulness. Avoid jealousy and avoid boastfulness. Number 3, that helps in promoting peace and unity at your premise, especially for the landlord and for the tenant. Sometimes make compromises. As a landlord, learn to compromise. And as a tenant, also sometimes learn to compromise. Don't say, I'm the landlord, that's for my say, it's final. And as a tenant, don't also take entrenched positions. Sometimes learn to compromise. Compromise brings peace in the facility. Compromise brings unity among the tenants and the landlord. Tip number 4, always be truthful. As a tenant, be truthful. And as a landlord, be truthful. If utilities are paid, keep records, tell the truth. Let everything reflect just as it is. Don't lie on your tenants. Don't lie on your landlord. Be truthful. Don't gang up as tenants against your landlord. And as landlords, don't gang up with other tenants against one. Be truthful. And truth brings peace among tenants and landlords. Now tip number 5. Let us stay in unity. Let us work in unity. Unity of purpose, unity in the house. Unity brings peace. Unity brings love. Unity will bring a sense of acceptance and a sense of calmness in the said facility. Thank you very much for watching Hallowed Moments on this particular platform powered by Hallowed Homes with me, Bennett Kenyansa. Do well to like our content, do well to share our content, and do well to invite others to follow Hallowed Homes. Thank you.